Hey guys, and welcome back to Beardchanics garage, and today we start a little bit of work on project Touran. Yeah, a very smart name here. It's a Touran, we replace a letter, it makes it a rat. Ooh. But anyway, I've introduced it before, but I want this sort of, touch a little bit on what was the goal for it. So today, I'm actually going to clean the inside, but I'm actually going to take you around the car properly and basically give you the complete plan and what is going to happen, what you're going to see on the channel, and hopefully what it should look like when it's all done. So to start with, while we're here at the front, I've already found the perfect plate for it, that you will have to wait to discover what it is. I'm obviously going to remove this. I'm thinking probably nice big opening there. So for the headlight, I'm thinking we take those out and basically replace them all with individual round headlight, old-fashioned way. So it's kind of look like deconstructed, and it give it a bit more of a cyborg kind of like patched up look, if you know what I mean. Bash bar at the front, obviously. I think we'll chop those little plates here, basically make it nice big opening everywhere. We'll see whether we mesh it or not, we'll find out. And maybe kind of like, I guess maybe here we could have a mesh and kind of like some funny stuff in it. And the bash bar will be basically linked to the roof rack. We'll get a better roof rack than that, all rusty as well. And I kind of like the idea of a mesh in front of the windscreen as well. And then engine-wise, we are going to sort of keep it stock, maybe tune it so it make pops and bangs a little bit or whatnot. But then have a snorkel air intake that goes all the way to the top and, kind of, we'll DIY it. This is going to be very much a project build, so I'm going to try and do as much as I can myself. And I'm thinking even welding bits and bobs on the rad, the welding don't need to look good. So this might be a good opportunity for me to actually start learning welding. So like I said, imagine a big roof rack here. We probably won't stock too much stuff at the front because we do have sunroof. So we can stack stuff at the back. And you already got a subscriber who got a really cool military box as well, which you can either use outside or inside, which we will pick up at some point. Thank you, Neil. Otherwise, we will respray the car ourselves. It's red, doesn't need to look good. And at the moment, I think I'm not going to go black matte. It says I'm going to be a khaki, like military green, or maybe camouflage. And what we'll do, remove those as well. And what I quite like here is to do, like I think it was the American plane, the big mouth with the teeth that basically, wrap around the wheel arch like that. I always really love the look of them. I've actually seen a Corvette done like that, and I did consider it for the Corvette, but I think this is a perfect candidate. Again, we will do it ourselves. I don't know whether to white arch it or not. I think to start with, probably no. I think with the livery to do the form, the white arch will kind of make it more complicated. The wheel, I'll take them out, sand them down, and we'll probably go for black, unless I come up with something else, but I think black on like khaki camouflage will work out well. And to be honest, for the side, apart from stickers on the livery, that's going to be pretty much it. Maybe a little step here you can stand on, you can attach yourself, stand on the side of it. I think that would be cool. Now let's do the back. Alright, at the rear, we obviously remove that bit, put a proper delete instead. We'll get rid of that bit, and obviously build the diffuser. Exhaust is already central. In theory, we could go with put the old S3 exhaust on this and get a quad pipe. The quad pipe is not really a rat, if you know what I mean. At the moment, you've got this little pea shooter underneath, but yeah, maybe have something a bit more chunky that pop out at the end of it. Here, obviously, toc is going to be replaced with a rat, and the rest we will see. Tint the windows at the rear, obviously. On here at the same time, maybe do similar than the front, you know, remove the unit or just leave, you know, do something funky with the rear light. I'm not actually fully decided yet on the rear light. But yeah, that's pretty much where it's at the minute. I'm not sure what will make the diffuser out of, but yeah, I'd like to do it all myself. I don't know if we go for aluminium, maybe we go for something a bit different this time. But whatever we do, if anything, you know what would be nice is maybe like a simplified one in steel and roasted as well, so that all the metal on it basically are roasted. And yeah, you know, basically that is the plan for the phase 1 on the outside of the Touran. Now I'll show you the inside, actually show you some of the damages there is as well, on what's the plan to basically cover some up, because we are, you know, this is still going to be my family car, so the inside I've got plan that, you know, might not be fully wrapped, if you know what I mean, but we'll go inside and tell you. So cleaning wise, as you can see, it's already much better, but I don't think I'll ever be able to get every single hair out, so I'm thinking I might actually strip it like I've started here, then clean it up nicely, and we'll find some cool, you know, rat style, something to kind of make all the cable go through and stuff. And the boot as well. Oh yeah, got a bit bored and I had some, so I spray painted some stuff. It's not staying anyway, but just a bit of fun for now. But I will send everything down eventually so we can spray it properly. But yeah, the boot as well. Basically I think once this was like smashed on something, so there was tons of broken glass in there and stuff, so I had to remove everything, but the same will clean up nicely. And after I will see, I think for the second row, like at the front S3 seat, I like maybe second row 2 S3 seat as well, on, you know, one on each side, and then maybe in the middle nothing, and there at the back, I don't know, maybe one more single S3 seat as well, so you know the person at the back lifted. So it's a 5-seater, but it's a comfy 5-seater. Not sure yet. Or, you know, we could maybe the bench at the back of the, no, that's not the S3, at the back of the S3 could fit here. I don't know, it really depends where it goes. Long term, I kind of love the idea of maybe, you know, getting another well, once the Missus actually got an 8-seater, so that's broken, but once it's fixed, we could actually turn this into just like a 2-seater or a 4-seater, on maybe the boot having a bit of a sound system, considering this is not going to be quick anyway, it's mostly going to be stylish. Maybe, you know, we'll do one of those rear end with tons of speakers that break the windscreen every time you put it on. And yeah guys, you know, I'm still in boxes at the house and stuff. The garage is still like half filled with boxes as well, so you know, I've got my work cut out for this. Still, without even talking about cars and stuff, but yeah, I'm going to start a little bit on the Touran. We are getting there with the house, so little bit at the time, you know. I'm going to be able to have more free time and do more stuff, because I really like to be doing a lot more videos than I'm doing at the minute. And yes, I'm going to try next week to also do an intro on that other vehicle I said I've purchased, which is already broken, obviously. That is a GDM import, and again, not the usual project, and that one is my Missus project. So yeah, anyway guys, see you in the next one. Bye.